This how to 1 minute will show you how to add resizable text for site visitors in WordPress. Follow these easy steps to add a resizable text feature like this. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search box, type here accessibility widget, and this is the plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, it's time to add the resizable text widget to our website sidebar widget. To do that, hover over on appearance and click on widgets. And now click on add block to add a new widget. And here search for accessibility widget. Click on it. Once the widget added, add here a title. Resize the following HTML CSS tags. I'm going to leave it as it is, and here you can set the percentage for resize. I'm going to leaving it as it, and now I will add this widget at the top. So I'm selecting the widget and clicking on move up. That's how. Add this widget at the top and click on update. Once the widget saved, I'm going to my post section and simply opening any post. And here we can see the resizable widget has been added here. Now I can easily make my text bigger from here. So this is how we can add resizable text function in WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.